Hi, it's Dhaval Patel. I'm here with ROVI Homes. Today we'll be exploring Hartford, Connecticut. So whether you're here for a day trip or you've lived here for years, we'll be exploring the best this city has to offer. So summers are absolutely beautiful here. This park is home to a ton of different events going on. So Parkville Market was created by Carlos Mota back in 2020. Imagine Quincy Market in Boston, here within Connecticut. So there's 20,000 square feet of local cuisine, actually cuisine from all over the world, from Brazilian to Italian, healthy vegan to delicious, and everything else in between. Bushnell Park is the oldest continuous running park in the entire country. It's over 50 acres of very rare and precious trees. There's free ice skating in the winter and plenty of different festivals and events throughout the entire year. Nestled right between Bushnell and Plainville Market, we have got my favorite vegan spot in the area, Fire and Spice. It is delicious and it is extremely healthy. So the current state capitol building was erected in 1897 at a cost of $2.5 million. Presently, this building behind me is worth over $200 million. This is where the adventures of Tom Sawyer, the adventures of Huckleberry Finn, and best of all, life on the Mississippi River were all written here at this home. There's like a mini waterfall, amazing carpet. There's this naked statue. This concludes our tour of Hartford. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope this inspired you to take a couple hours or maybe even a weekend to enjoy everything this beautiful city has to offer. With that, I'll leave you to it and look forward to seeing you in Hartford. Bye now.